Welcome to our in-depth review of the Helicantex Bushcraft Essential Kit Bag in Coyote. This versatile kit bag is a must-have for bushcraft enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers alike. Let's explore why this kit bag is highly regarded and why it could be the perfect addition to your outdoor gear collection. The Helicantex Bushcraft Essential Kit Bag is crafted from robust 500D Cordura fabric, which is known for its durability and resistance to wear and tear. The material is not only tough, but also water-resistant, ensuring your gear stays dry in unpredictable weather conditions. The bag's dimensions are 22 by 12 by 9 centimeters, making it compact and lightweight while still offering ample storage space. One of the standout features of this kit bag is its versatility in carrying options. It can be attached to your backpack or belt using the Maul/Pal system, or you can use the detachable shoulder strap for crossbody carrying. This adaptability makes it suitable for various outdoor activities. Inside, the bag boasts multiple pockets and elastic loops that allow for organized storage of your essentials. Whether you need to carry a water bottle, folding stove, flashlight, or small tools, there's a place for everything. This thoughtful design ensures you can quickly access your items when needed. A unique feature is the built-in sheath on the back of the bag, designed to hold tools such as a folding saw, knife, or axe. This addition enhances the bag's utility, making it an excellent choice for bushcrafters who need quick access to their tools. Users have consistently praised the Helicantex Bushcraft Essential Kit Bag for its performance in the field. The sturdy construction holds up well under tough conditions, and the organized storage options keep your gear secure and accessible. The adjustable buckle closure and additional D-rings for attachments add to its functionality and ease of use. Feedback from the bushcraft community highlights several aspects of the bag: compact and efficient. Users appreciate the bag's compact size, which is ideal for day trips and short hikes. Despite its smaller size, it offers sufficient space to carry all necessary items, making it a practical choice for quick outdoor excursions. Blend with nature. The coyote color not only looks good, but also blends well with natural surroundings, which is a significant advantage for outdoor activities where remaining inconspicuous is essential. Versatility. The bag's versatility in carrying methods and storage options makes it a favorite among users. Whether you're using it for bushcraft, hiking, or general outdoor use, it adapts well to various needs. The main compartment is spacious enough to hold larger items like water bottles or compact cooking gear. The internal elastic loops help keep smaller items secure and organized. The front pocket is perfect for quick access items such as maps, compasses, or a small first aid kit. The zippered closure ensures that everything stays in place, even when you're on the move. The side pockets are ideal for storing tools or accessories that you might need to access quickly, such as fire-starting equipment or a folding knife. The Maul/Pal's webbing on the exterior of the bag allows you to attach additional pouches or gear, customizing the bag to fit your specific needs and preferences. In summary, the Helicantex Bushcraft Essential Kit Bag is a reliable, versatile, and durable choice for anyone passionate about bushcraft and outdoor activities. Its thoughtful design, robust construction, and practical features make it an excellent investment for your outdoor adventures. Whether you're an experienced bushcrafter or just starting, this kit bag is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Thank you for watching our review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on outdoor gear. You will find the Amazon link in the description of this video.